Hello guys, my name is Richmond and I welcome you back to the RichTech channel. In our previous tutorial, we spoke about the Arduino Uno microcontroller and some of the components that makes up this particular microcontroller. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about the platform or the application used in programming Arduino microcontrollers and some of the features that makes up this application and their functions as well. But before we get into today's tutorial, if you're a new viewer of the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and also if you get any benefits from the video, you can leave a like as well. Without wasting much time, let's move into today's tutorial. So basically, this is the application used in programming Arduino microcontrollers. The name of the application is called the Arduino IDE. I have the link in the description below, so if you want the application, you can go there and download it. So let's talk about some of the features of this application and their functions. So the first thing I'll talk about is the button here, which is known as the verify button. Now this button goes through your code and checks for errors, okay? So when there is any error in your code, it's going to locate it and tell you the particular type of error. The next button I'll talk about is the upload button. This upload button helps you to upload code from your laptop to the Arduino microcontroller. The next button is the new button. Now this button helps you to create a new sketch, okay? So if you are working on a project and you want to create a different project or a different program, you can tap on the new button to get the new project opened. This button here is the open button. So if you already created projects on your Arduino IDE or with your Arduino IDE and you want to get them open, you can tap on the open button and select the particular project you want to open. The next button is the save button. So for instance, as its name says, save, okay? So if you are working or currently working on a project and you want to save it, you can tap on the save button to get it saved, okay? This is the serial monitor button over here at the top right corner. Now this serial monitor button helps you to open the serial monitor of any Arduino microcontroller connected to your laptop. So if you have a particular microcontroller connected to your laptop, you can open its serial monitor from this button here. Since I don't have any microcontroller connected to my laptop, if I tap on the serial monitor, it will give an error. So the error says that board Atcom 9 is not available, which means there is no board attached or connected to my laptop, okay? Now when you open a new project in the Arduino IDE, this is what you are going to see. There are two default or two main functions you are going to see, which is the void setup. This is the void setup function, and then the void loop. Now these are the default functions you will see when you open a new program in the Arduino IDE, okay? But then you can create other functions as well. So the first one, which is the void setup, is where you put your setup code, and this particular void setup runs once, okay? So any particular code you put in here will run just once, okay? And with the void loop, that is where you put your main code, and any code you put in there runs repeatedly. Basically, these are the most important components of the Arduino IDE you need to know, and their functions as well. In the next tutorial, we'll be talking about how to use this IDE to program the Arduino microcontrollers, okay? So stay tuned in this channel, and also don't forget to leave a like if you had any benefits from this tutorial. Thank you.